Hey guys, I'm Max here with Climblife tips and tricks. I've been climbing for about 10 years all around Southern California and a couple other places too. And today we're going to be learning some hangboard techniques. So let's get to it. Today on tips and tricks, we're going to be learning some hangboard techniques. First thing I want you to do is pick out about 5 holds that you can hold for at least 20 seconds. And then from there, we're going to be doing 5 sets of 5 reps of 5 seconds. So let's get started. So I'm going to be using this for my first hold. Nice big open grip. About 5 seconds on. And then about 5 seconds off. And that's 1 rep. So we're going to do that 5 times and that completes our first set. So now for our second set, we're going to choose a different grip and then we're going to go from there. So about 5 seconds on. And then about 5 seconds off. And so how I like to grab those holds is with a nice open hand. And that's going to be good for your wrist down here. And it's also good for your hands, just the tendons and everything. You don't really want to be crimping while you're on the hangboard. Sometimes it's good, but for what we're going to do today, let's try to keep some open grips. Now this is a little bit more advanced, but if you feel comfortable, you can grab a grip and hold it with just a few of your fingers. So again, 5 seconds on. And then 5 seconds off. And that's going to complete our third set. And so next thing that we're going to do is this might be a little bit more advanced, but if you feel comfortable, you can use just one finger. All right guys, so once you've completed your 5 sets, that's going to be the end of the workout. But just remember, you got to be really careful when you're using the hangboard. There are a lot of injuries that happen, but it does get you pretty strong. So that's going to conclude our workout for today. I hope you've enjoyed Climblife tips and tricks.